Dear friends, welcome to Astro Services Kannan YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share with you the predictions of IPL 2022 12th match that will be played between Sunrise Hyderabad and Lucknow Super Giant teams. So, we know Hyderabad team is in very bad shape. Their players are not really contributing to the team's success. They lost the first game very badly, and LSG looks very confident, like both in their approach of the game. We can see the bowling and batting, in fact, even fielding was also excellent. So, from the cricket's point, we know definitely LSG is holding an edge over SRH. So, let's move on to see what we see from the astrological context of this game. So, when I prepared this chart, Moon was transiting in the star of Kritika. So the horary number what I got is 105. For the question, what I asked is, will SRH beat LSG in this game? And again, what we have to see, the two important planets are Jupiter and Mercury, and what we need to notice here, Mercury, it is representing LSG. So we need to look at the dignity of this planet, and we will know what will happen in this particular game. So for the Rasi chart, the Lagna Lord is Sun, and then Sun is in Pisces with Mercury. And what we need to notice here, we all know Sunrise Hyderabad play in orange jersey. So Sun is in the eighth house from its own house. So this is not considered as good. And again, like if you have to look at Saturn, which is the seventh house lord, is also not good place. Although it's in his own house, it is in the 12th house from its own house. So what I would say is it is very neutral from the Rasi chart. But when you look at the Kaspal, we are seeing 137 is excellent for Hyderabad. But the 11th house we are seeing 8. As we know, 8 is not a good number for the home team. So this particular game, and then again, if you have to look at various other planetary positions, this particular game maybe is in favor of LSG. The contest will be quite good. It may not be a one-sided game, but again, like looking at various other planetary positions and even the Dasa Bhukti, we are seeing 8 in at least 3 places in Dasa, Antaram, and Sukshamam. It may not be a good game for SRH. So I would say this particular game is slightly in favor of LSD. As I mentioned earlier, it may not be a one-sided game. Definitely, SRH will give a good fight, unlike the previous game. But still, I'm seeing that the 11th house, the house of satisfaction, is not in good dignity. So we have to say that although we are seeing 11 here present, but then it is diluted by the other houses present in the 11th house. So we have to say this particular game is slightly in favor of LSG, and I am going win for LSG. Thanks.